Hello viewers, welcome back to Queries Book. In previous video we have seen how to transfer files between your PC and your mobile phone without installing any third-party applications. If you didn't watch the video, I will provide the link in the iCards above. Because this type of file transferring is more faster than the Bluetooth transferring method. So I recommend you to watch that video first and come again to watch this video. In this video, we will see how to transfer files from your mobile phone and your PC using Bluetooth. Of course, Bluetooth is an older version of transferring files, but it is okay to share a small sized files like an image or a song which is below 5 MB because the Bluetooth transferring method is very simple and it is secure too. So to do that, we need to click on notifications icon here at the bottom corner here. You need to turn on your Bluetooth in your system. Then you need to click on the arrow here. You can find the arrow beside a mic icon or a battery icon here. You have to click on it. Then click on Bluetooth devices option here. You can see a Bluetooth icon here. Just click on it. Any click, right click or left click. If you want to send a file from your PC to your phone, you need to select send a file. Then it will display the nearby devices which devices were turned on the Bluetooth. Here you should turn on the Bluetooth of your device before clicking on the send file option here. You have to note that you should turn on Bluetooth in your phone before clicking on send a file option here. Then you will find the nearest by devices here. No? So you need to select your device. I am selecting my device and then click on next. Then you need to browse the file, which file you want to transfer from your PC to your mobile. You need to click browse and select your file. I am selecting the YouTube logo, our channel logo here, then click open. Then you need to click on next. Then it will displaying and astonishing like this. You have to click, you will get a notification here. You need to click add. You need to click allow. Then your device also gets a symbol of pairing. Just click pair. Then click accept in your device. Then you can see here, you can see that file was transferred successfully. Then click on finish. If you check your mobile gallery, the file will be the logo image of your channel will be in this mobile phone. If you want to receive the files from your mobile phone to your PC, this is also the same steps you have to follow. Then just click on this icon, arrow mark here. Click on Bluetooth icon here. You need to select receive a file. Previously you selected send a file. Now you need to select receive a file. Select receive a file. Then in your phone you have to do everything in your phone. It is simple. How you are sending a file from one mobile phone to another mobile phone, the process is almost same. You need to long press the image and you need to click share and you need to select Bluetooth and you need to select your PC name here. You will get, if you are already paid with the devices, your screen will show the options here. If you click on this, you will see how fast it was transferring. Of course this is 48 KB file, but it travels faster. If you want to save this file in any location, you can manage it from here itself. If I want to store this in my PC documents, just select it, then click OK, then click finish. You need to click finish, then only it will be stored into your system. Yeah, you need to see. I will show you where it located. See, our logo was stored in this location. See, this is the method how to transfer the files from mobile to PC and PC to mobile using a Bluetooth.